How to create Google account. Creating Google account is quite easy and simple. Open Google app on your device. Ensure to log into your any existing account. Tap profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Select the small arrow next to the username of this existing Google account. Then you will see the option for add a new account. Now let's tap on add another account option. Sure, choose Google. You will reach on this page where you have to tap on create account option. Choose whether it's for your personal use or for the business use. Once you select it, enter your name, your first name and surname. Now tap next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Enter your birthday and gender. Tap on the next button. Choose your Gmail address or create your own Gmail address. So let's create it here using letters, numbers and full stop. Once you are done with creating a Gmail address, tap next button. And now enter your strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. Tap next button again and review your account info tapping on the next button. Go through this privacy and terms and tap I agree button. As you can see and tap on the profile icon at the Google application, you have successfully created Google account. Now you can easily enjoy the features of this Google account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.